have to define the probability. Yesterday we have defined 0.033. 0.033.
Okay.
I will
Buried, right? It is a buried trunk line.
Yeah, buried trunk line. I will show you what I have done yesterday. Abu Dhabi, WAP, MP21. Guys, if you see here, excuse me, my friend, if you see here, please focus here. Here, I will focus. If you see here on the right side, we defined yesterday the total length. The total length of underground pipeline is 33 km, diameter is 36 inch. Hence, IEL is 10 power minus 6 into 33 km is 0.0033. I'll give the same thing, right?
Okay. Perfect.
So I will define a set point IEL underground pipeline. Underground pipe lake 33 km for 36 inch dia is equal to 0.0033, right? Okay. So this I will make it highlight. This is a new definition. We'll go here. I will define this one 0.33, and this is
0.033, not 0.33 or 0.03.
0.0033.
0.03.
Yeah. So I will put the same note here. I will put the same note what you have taken. Right. The total length of the requirement with this one. Same till T has calculated CAL the IL. This is okay. So coming back here on the right side, here, I mean LDS. So you are saying LDS. I'm saying LDS is the alarm with operator alarm. PLL. This is the same PLL. I will take it because this is not sheet. This PLL. Where is this PLL? Can someone confirm me where is this PLL?
This took a copy from the previous one.
Yeah. We have taken from the hedge.
There are two PL, one at the inlet and one at the outlet of ML.
See,
It's the text from the BIT.
I cannot take credit of this PLL, so we have removed. Now I want to know where is this PLL?
Low outlet. This is for the outlet tag number?
No. It is the inlet.
It's a new tag number.
No, this is the inlet.
Yeah.
But you are saying one more PLL is.
Yeah.